Can't sleep? Stop scrolling. Ever feel like your nights are endless tossing and turning? Today, we're diving into nature's sleeping secrets. The top 3 herbs you can grow for naturally restful nights. First up, lemon balm. Its calming citrus scent helps ease anxious nerves, making bedtime cozier. Second, valerian root, your secret weapon for deep, uninterrupted sleep. It's soothing and perfect for those extra restless nights. And last, lavender. This fragrant powerhouse doesn't just smell divine, it calms the brain for sweet dreams. Why shop for expensive sleep remedies when your garden can grow them? Growing's simpler than you think, and the benefits are priceless. Better rest, clearer mornings, and a stronger connection with nature. Ready to start your herbal sleep garden? Follow for daily herb wisdom from your healing harbor.